Welcome to my channel, me and my jolly world. A very fresh and healthy morning to all of you. Today I, Romelia of class 2nd B, dining a mouth-watering brunch before you. It comprises of delicious paneer laddus and refreshing guava smoothie. The preparation of paneer laddu starts with mixing of nuts and raisins with gulkand for filling. Then we should mix the paneer crumbs, condensed milk, milk powder, milk and roux afza well to make a smooth dough and keep it for a while to set. By greasing the hands well, make laddus from the dough, filling it with the mixture in it. It is highly rich in calcium, iron, vitamins and antioxidants. My second dish is guava smoothie. It is rich source of vitamin C, iron and fiber.